Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm gonna do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price. And guys, as you can see right now, the last couple hours we noticed this insane impulsive move for the Bitcoin price, and right now the moon boys are back with all the bull run theories. And guys, let's be real and realistic. This of course is very well manipulated pump by big whales who want to wreck you very badly. They want to create this fake belief of the beginning of the bull run and actually create FOMO, and when you're gonna buy on these areas, then they're gonna sell and they're gonna get your money. So be very careful guys with your long positions here. Of course, not financial advice, do your own research first. But guys, here is what I believe, and I highly believe that in the next week that's coming from tomorrow, we're gonna notice massive huge dump on the markets, because guys, as you can understand, the previous days we saw two big banks into bankruptcy, and I believe guys that the situation of the global economy is heading straight into a recession. And if these things are about to happen, we're gonna see guys Bitcoin into a maximum pain inevitably, and I'm talking into a huge crash, which we're gonna see Bitcoin into a new bottom. So let's be real, and on this video guys I'm gonna analyze you exactly where I believe we're gonna get in the short term, mid term and long term. So if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like you guys to go on my Twitter and actually follow me there, because I'm updating you with whatever is happening within a day on the crypto space, and that's it's really important to follow me if you would like to get updated. And also let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much to continue this journey. And with your very simple process of daily likes, daily comments, share with your friends, share your social media, you're actually helping me so much, and appreciate you for this help and support from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone. And without losing more time, let's dive straight into the 1 hour time frame to explain you why I believe that this kind of pump, it was very well manipulated pump by big whales and nothing more, not the beginning of the bull run. Okay, let's be realistic. And guys, with this pump you're gonna notice that we have a bearish pattern, which is this ascending broadening wedge. Okay, it's beautiful formation. You can clearly see two touch points on the support and two touch points on the resistance. And if we're gonna see this massive huge reversal back to the support to retest it, then the situation obviously is gonna become extremely bearish. And I believe that from time to time, or tomorrow basically, we're gonna see this massive reversal. Right now my eyes are on the SP 500. I'm waiting to see how the SP 500 gonna react with the Silicon Valley Bank, which went into bankruptcy, and also the Dixie, how it's gonna react. And if you ask my honest opinion guys, I believe that Dixie gonna continue to pump to the upside. Also, I believe guys that more print money is inevitable, and if this is gonna happen, probably the inflation rate is gonna be high again, or it's gonna be the same for extended period, which means that this situation is extremely bad for the crypto space and of course for the stock market. So obviously we're probably going to experience this big maximum pain that I'm expecting a lot, and I have been telling you about this maximum pain the last couple months, not weeks, months. I'm expecting a lot to see that. Guys, right now, as I told you, I'm waiting to see how the SP 500 gonna react tomorrow, because I believe when the market's gonna open, we're gonna notice here a free fall for the SP 500. Also, we have a very important event, which is the CPI inflation rate of February, which is about to happen on Tuesday. And there, guys, if we're gonna notice negative outcome on the CPI data on February, guys, then the situation is gonna become really dramatic, because obviously we're gonna drop straight to $18,400 for the Bitcoin price, which is a very strong support area on the daily area. Okay, it's exactly this support. I'm gonna actually mark it to know exactly where we are heading. Is a daily support, which is the next price target for the Bitcoin. And I believe guys that we can see, if we're gonna take a negative outcome on the CPI data on Tuesday, a free fall. No matter where we're gonna be here, we're gonna see free fall straight to $18,400 area. Okay, and that's really bearish. and our attention, as I told you, should be on the SP500 and on the Dixie. We will need to have a confirmation, because guys, no matter how much we're gonna see the Bitcoin pump today, if the SP500 begin and we're gonna see drop straight to $3,800, then obviously we're gonna see the reversal instantly for the Bitcoin price. So that's why I believe that this kind of pump is very well manipulated pump by big whales. This is my opinion, okay? And also I believe, as I told you, that according to the fundamentals that are extremely bad, and of course the worst is yet to come, to follow exactly, guys, this path of this weekly descending broadening wedge. I believe that according to the fundamentals, we're gonna follow exactly this path week by week, which gonna lead us straight to 12,000 within $60,000, which are my price targets for the Bitcoin price in the worst case scenario. So this, I believe, is gonna happen until Q2 and Q3. I believe until that time we're gonna see the maximum pain on the Bitcoin price, and then we will start building the bullish territory very slowly. And this is gonna happen, I believe, in the Q4 of 2023 by breaking every resistance that we're gonna have ahead of us. And as you know from previous videos, guys, I believe that in $30,000 is the actually resistance, which the time that we're gonna break it and stay above it, we're gonna announce the beginning of the bull run, okay? Because it's the previous support of this previous bull run of the 2021. Okay, this is exactly what I believe. Also, I'm gonna show you some indicators and I'm gonna close the video. As you can notice, guys, we have the exponential moving average with a death cross on the 4-hour time frame, and in the 8-hour time frame we are very close to see another death cross on the exponential moving average 50 and 200. And I believe when this reversal is going to happen for this ascending broadening wedge, we're gonna notice this death cross, and with that death cross, guys, I believe that we're gonna get straight to $18,400. Also, guys, to mention you, I'm gonna jump back to this ascending broadening wedge and I'm gonna show you the technical price target, because I forgot to show you this technical price target for this ascending broadening wedge. Guys, if this is gonna be the height of the current pump and we won't pump anymore to the upside, which I believe, guys, that this is the maximum pump that we saw. I don't believe that we're gonna see further more pump to the upside. The time that we're gonna see the reversal and the breakout of this $20,300 area of the support of this ascending broadening wedge, we're gonna get straight to $18,400. It's also the same technical price target of the daily support, which is very easy price target to get there, especially if we're gonna have a negative outcome on the CPI inflation rate data, and especially if the SP500 gonna drop and gonna have the confirmation of the SP500 and from the Dixie too. And from the Dixie, I mean, we're gonna move into upturn movement. We're gonna see a continuation of this upturn movement. And so, guys, let's continue with the 12-hour time frame, which you're gonna see that the EMA rebound on the Bitcoin is bearish. And also you're gonna see in the daily time frame that we saw a huge squeeze on the EMA rebound, which means that the time that we're gonna see this reversal to the downside, we're also gonna have the flip on the EMA rebound, which gonna indicate us that the situation is on emergency. And lastly, the super trend indicator is of course bearish, also is bearish on the 2-day time frame. And we're gonna see lastly the MACD, which, as you know, it's remain bearish on the 3-day time frame, not in the daily time frame. And you can see that we are building here big bearish territory. Okay, guys, this is exactly the video. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any question. Drop it down below in the comment section. Stick with your DCA, and I will see you tomorrow with fresh updates for the Bitcoin price and all for the altcoins. Until then, your boy Chris is out. Bye.